So now next we got the idler parts. Had to go into the extruder bag to get this. It's the extruder idler, and we have the Bond Tech without the hole for the set screws, so you don't see no holes on the side. Then we have the bearings, might be stuck inside the gear. Nope, we're good. You have the shaft, and then you have the N3N nut. Then you have our so two 40s, M3 by 40s, and then we have the idler spring and place the spring onto the screw. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Now it says bearing assembly. One of these, it said insert both bearings in the pulley. Be aware that bearings can slip out during assembly. So one bearing here, other bearing here. So both bearings are in there. Now it's the idler assembly. So take the M3N nut here, place it in the idler here, the bottom. Bring it down a little bit by doing a little screw pulley thing. Now we got it in there more. Now we can use one of these screws to tighten it up a little bit. Pulley. There's a little screw pulley process. Screw the, we in now. I can get the screw out. This process is really useful. So next, we're going to insert the pulley in the idler. Shown in the picture, slide the shaft, then slide the shaft through the idler and the pulley. So got this facing right here. So be mindful that the bearings will fall out. So idler gonna go to make sure the screw part is to the left side, like this. And now we have to put the shaft through it. So slide the shaft through the idler and pulley. Use reasonable force, or you will break the printed part. Reasonable force is that the shaft should be flush with the surface of the printed part. Place your finger on the bearing and secure that it can rotate. So pushing this all the way in. So now it's free, rotating free. We have that in there. So now that is the idler. So next we're gonna put this on the extruder. We'll be back.